oh my god, I'm out of time, out of time.
Time is up, Diana, time is up. Been 5 seconds, 10 seconds, the time is up. Have you been cheating? Yeah, but we don't care about the image. We are judging the interpretation.
You're changing the rules.
No?
You just want to win. Okay. No, what is
She cannot stop laughing. That means my sentence is good. Hey everyone, Ronnie here. Today we have something different for you guys. Diana and I are going to be together in this video, which is not a tutorial for once. We are going to be playing a game today in Canva, which doesn't mean you're not going to learn a thing or two about a few features of Canva. So Diana has prepared a game for us. Diana, can you tell us a bit more about your game?
Yeah, so we have a Canva challenge today. We're going to create memes. And the first part is to find the visual. We have 1 minute per each meme, and we have 3 memes in total. So we have 2 different presentations. You guys can see on the screen that I have one, and Ronnie has a different style.
Sounds good. Let's start with part 1.
Okay, so you are on page number 3, and do you have a timer ready?
Yep, I'm ready. I'm waiting for your go.
Okay, so we can start now.
I'm gonna go to the photos and search for an angry woman. Okay, I want to represent Diana just freaking out on me. I think this one would do.
I'm gonna start by using Giphy, which is an app or website that I really love. I'm gonna open it here, and I have seen a meme which is pretty trendy. Yes, this one. I have less than 2 minutes to find the other images.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave these two. I'm gonna come back to them later. Moving on, because I'm already moving very fast down this timer right here. Next, I'm gonna go and use Giphy. Let's try to create a GIF about Diana not having her coffee in the morning. I'm gonna type coffee addict. Yeah, this could be working.
And let me see if I can find something funny here on the library. So happy photos.
The third image. Okay, what am I going to do? Yeah, something like when I receive a 1-star review, when I just launched a new course and I'm super sad.
I believe we can use this as a meme. And I have 1 minute left.
Super sad. Okay, almost crying. You see, the trick when using Giphy is to use the right emotion to find the right keywords when you search for your GIF.
Oh, I don't know. What kind of emotion I want Ronnie to recreate with this meme. I'm out of time. 11 seconds.
Okay, timer is up.
Oh my god, I'm out of time.
Time is up, Diana, time is up.
Okay, let me just unmute the call.
Time is up, dude. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Been 5 seconds, 10 seconds, the time is up. Have you been cheating?
Maybe. Yeah, it was tough. 3 minutes, it was actually tough. I was trying to find something in particular that I had in mind and I couldn't find it. So yeah, it was tough.
So, all right. So what's the next step?
Okay, next step is that we are going to share our presentations with each other. So I'm going to copy the link to share with you.
Okay, just copy the link.
Okay, so now I can see Ronnie's presentation. And what do you think about the style of my presentation?
All right, so discovering yours, Canva challenges. I like the blue sky. Okay, so page 3.
So, yes, go to page 3 and we're going to start another 3 minutes. This is going to be tough. Now we have to add text to the visual to complete the meme.
Okay.
Right? Because a meme, you usually have a visual and a text that complements the meme, and then you make it relatable. So we have 3 minutes to create the text. I'm not sure if we will be able to finish it, but let's give it a go.
Okay, yeah.
I already have the text boxes ready. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, should we hit start?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, go.
Okay, let's do this using this again. So the first visual that she has is like a raccoon. Yeah, when it's Friday, 5 p.m. and I'm about to log off. Okay, that was easy.
So this one could be no one. We add this Canva.
Okay, so this one is when I realize I still haven't filmed my tutorial for the week and it's Thursday night. All right, okay.
What is this emotion? She's like trying to say yes to something that she really doesn't agree on. So it could be. Okay, yes.
Okay, let's just use that. How could I say that in a more funny way? You know what? I'm gonna try to use Canva's magic rights to rewrite this.
This makes me feel like me in the morning. But what should I say?
All right, so I'm ready. I'm gonna unmute my sound here in the chat. Okay, I'm ready, Diana.
Oh my god, 5 seconds.
I'm already here. I was already chilling in the chat for a long time.
What?
Yeah.
No, maybe you are too creative. I don't know. I was struggling here, but
So how was it?
for me it was difficult because I was like trying to identify the emotions on the visuals.
Mm-hmm.
And then like trying to make them relatable to my life somehow. So it was a little bit tough. I also wanted to make it funny for everyone, but I could only try to think about my life.
Okay, so maybe it's just funny for you.
Exactly. I know.
So what's the next step? What do we do now?
Okay, next step is that we are going to my presentation.
Okay.
And if you want, you can read your meme.
Okay, so yeah, I thought my sentence is when it's Friday 5 p.m. and I'm about to log off. So yeah, I think this dancing raccoon is like super happy with where he is in his life right now. So yeah, feels like a good sentence to go with.
Okay, guys, what do you think about this one? Let us know in the comments. I find it quite amusing, so yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's go to the first meme I created from your image. So page 3 on your presentation.
You can read yours.
When I have to file my taxes. I don't know if that's correct English. When I have to file taxes or whatever, but yeah, I was like, every time that we are close to the date, I start getting like this woman.
Yeah, I feel your pain. Indeed. All right, so that was round 1. Which one of the 2 gifts, of the 2 memes, did you find the funniest? Was it the one about the Friday or was it the one about the taxes? Let us know in the comments and just type Friday or taxes and let us know who won the first round.
Let's go to my presentation and go to the second meme.
Okay, so second meme of your presentation, the chihuahua with the big eyes. So I chose the sentence when I realized I still haven't filmed my tutorial for the week and it's Thursday night.
I love it. Yeah. So you also use something related to your life.
Yes.
Post, but it's relatable to me, so I find it funny. I don't know, what do you guys watching this video think about this meme?
I think anyone creating content for the internet will relate to this because it's a never-ending job. Like you always have to come up with the next idea and sometimes you're like and then yeah, you have the pressure of the deadline and all of that. So yeah, that was my gift.
And I also want to ask you, what do you think about the image, because I found it quite funny and I found it on the library.
Really? Yeah. I think the Canva photo library has some funny stuff in it. This one was pretty funny.
Yeah, okay, so let's go to your presentation on the second meme.
Okay.
And this one says no one, and then me at this Canva challenge.
That's good. Yeah, I can see you like you want to win. I can recognize that in you. And yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty funny.
I was struggling with this one because I wanted to create something more relatable, like to other people.
Yeah.
But then I don't know, my brain was blanked at this point at all.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's good because it looks a bit like you are currently in the kitchen, in the living room.
Yeah.
And this guy seems to be in the same kind of place in his apartment. And I know you are giving your 100% to try to win this challenge. I can hear that. I can feel that. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Again, guys, let us know which one takes round 2. Was it Ronnie with the chihuahua or was it Diana with the coffee drinker?
I have to say that if you vote for the Chihuahua one, I was the one who chose the image.
Yeah, but we don't care about the image. We are judging the interpretation, like the illustration of the image with the sentence. That's what we are judging here.
Okay.
If you vote Chihuahua, Ronnie wins the point. If you vote coffee, Diana wins the point.
You are changing the rules.
No?
Oh, you just want to win. Okay, let's go to the meme number 3 on my presentation. No, what is
She cannot stop laughing. That means my sentence is good.
But it's not true.
Of course it is. Look at you.
This one is a good one. Okay.
Okay.
I gave you the point already.
Yeah, so when I suggest a good idea to Diana, but she acts like it's her own idea. Like, I think this one is pretty accurate. I don't know. You guys decide.
It's not accurate, but it's pretty funny.
It is accurate.
Okay. So let's go to your presentation, and this will be the third meme.
I like it.
When someone says that Canva is not for professional designers, that's my reaction.
Yeah, it's good. You know what I had in mind when I added this GIF? My thought was when you just launch a new course and somebody leave you a 1-star review.
Yeah. I like this one because, like sometimes when we meet people, or I don't know, like when you read comments from somebody online and they are commenting this kind of stuff, I'm like, yeah. Like there are so many professional designers using Canva and creating amazing stuff. It's not about the tool, it's about the person and the creativity. And also Canva is quite powerful, so.
I agree. It's not a beginner's tool anymore. It's just like you can do so much with it and it's only getting better. So yeah, again, guys, let us know which one of the 2 GIFs, of the 2 memes did you find the funniest?
So we are going to wrap up this video, and I wanted to ask you your final thoughts. I was not present when you were selecting your visuals. I wanted to know which features, apps, or how do you find the visuals that you used on your memes?
Okay, so I started with my idea, basically. So the first one was I wanted to find an angry woman. So I just typed angry woman in the Canva elements bar, search bar, and I filtered by photos. So I wanted a photo from the library of an angry woman. And I found 2, so I put them both because I liked them. And then I thought, okay, I'm gonna come back to slide 1 later and just delete the one that is not the best. For the second GIF, the second page, I quickly opened Giphy, so the Canva app on the side panel, and I started searching for coffee addict. And so this guy is drinking coffee because I was searching for something like, okay, I need coffee addict, something like that. So I thought, okay, that's the best one. And then the next one, I continue searching the GIFs in Giphy, and I wanted something like someone really sad. Okay, so I started by really sad, and then I found people like this, and then I had this idea of when I receive a 1-star review. So I switched my keywords a little bit, and I was like, I think I went for almost crying, and then I found the one.
Nice. Yeah. So I had a mix. I went straight away to Giphy because every time that I want to create something funny, I go straight to Giphy. So I started there, and then I was like, you know what? The Canva library nowadays, it's so huge that I'm sure I'm gonna find something funny. So I went to the library and I typed puppy and then puppy funny, and I found this chihuahua. So yeah, that's basically how I found my images.
Yeah, I think the key to this type of exercise is to be very clear about the emotion you want to communicate. So the emotion is or the feeling is very important, and figure out how to communicate that with a keyword or with a couple of keywords, like a key expression.
Yeah, I actually did it different because I didn't know what kind of emotion and I wanted to display because, I didn't have a clear idea on the meme that we were going to create together. So I went more general and I just typed meme and I found a bunch of different GIFs, and that's how I found the monkey one last minute like.
That was a good one. Well, let's leave it here for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new, fun, lighter type of content where we are kind of competing with each other. Let us know in the comment section what you think, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, bye.